Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday the class 4, that is science subject, 9th lesson we have started, that is teeth and microbes. So yesterday we have learned what is meant by teeth, how it helps us. So in how many ways? So what are the temporary teeth or what are the permanent teeth we have learned. So kinds of teeth also, there are 4 kinds of teeth we have learned. After that, the structure of a teeth we have learned. So I given for you homework. I hope you all did the homework. So care of a teeth today. So structure of a teeth you have been wrote in your textbooks today. The care of a teeth. So how we have to take care of our teeth. If we take care of our teeth, we can save them from decay. So here what is telling, if we take care, when we take care of our teeth, we can what we can save from the decay. So puppalukutoni, next panti noppitoni we can save it. If you take care of your teeth. Bits of food sticking to the teeth can causes growth of bacteria. Sticking ante notlo manam tine padarthalu ekkadaina undipote. So that is also one of the growing of a bacteria he is telling. Bacteria first attack the enamel. So here we have learned what is meant by enamel. It will first attack to the enamel. Then the dentine and finally to the pulp, to the second it is to the dentine, after that pulp. When bacteria reach to nerves with the pulp, it causes pain. When the bacteria is causes to the nerves, naralaki, tarvata it within the pulp, then it causes the pain. So pantino pella ostundi ani chepte mana food notlo తినే పదార్థాలు ఎక్కడన్నా అతుకుపోతే పండ్ల మధ్యలో అది బ్యాక్టీరియా లాగా మారి బ్యాక్టీరియా నుంచి డెంటైన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ డెంటైన్ పల్ప్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది. పల్ప్తోని ఏమవుతుంది, నర్వ్స్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి అది టూత్ పెయిన్ అంటే పంటి నొప్పిలాగా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందని చెప్తున్నాడు. టూత్ డికే రిజల్ట్ ఇన్ బ్యాడ్ బ్రీత్, cavities, toothache, bleeding gums and indigestion. So with the help of these decays, so result bad bleeding. So bad breath, bad smell we will breathe. Next cavities, will be cavity, toothache, panti noppi. Next bleeding gums ante blood bleeding from the teeth gums. Indigestion, so it is also, this all will come from the not taking care of our teeth. So always brush 2 times ante twice a day, morning and after eating night dinner, after taking the dinner. So these are the taking care. If you take care of your teeth, you will not get this all. So if you are not taking care, so we will get the decay of the teeth. So here he is asking ways to protect your teeth. So he is asking to ways how to protect the teeth. So ways to protect your teeth. So how you will protect your teeth, we will read in the ways. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and again before going to the bed. So brush your teeth ante morning when you get up you will brush or not? Yes, but night you will not brush. So you have to brush 2 times. How many times? Twice, 2 సార్లు. పొద్దున మార్నింగ్ లేవగానే మళ్ళీ తిన్న తర్వాత నైట్ బెడ్కి when you go to sleep you have to brush your teeth. So this is the first point he told for us. So second point, brush the teeth in up and down motion. In lopala, meeda, its sides ki you have to brush very neatly. Wash your mouth well after meals. After eating meals, we have to wash our mouth. Why? Because whatever sticky food is there, it will go out. We should do puklinchali, water and throw it, then the sticky food will be go out. So wash your mouth when you after meals. Clean the tongue also to remove bacteria. Tongue is asking to clean the tongue. Bacteria attacks our teeth and also causes bad breath. So when we eat, so here on the tongue it will be sticky, everyone know. So that causes bad smell from our mouth. Visit the dentist regularly to check up at least twice a year. So he's asking to twice అంటే 2 సార్లు ఇయర్ కి డెంటిస్ట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేయించుకోమంటారు మీ యొక్క టీత్ ని. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హౌ teeth help us and how we have to take care of our teeth. So this is the taking care of our teeth in how ways. So now we are moving to the microbes. So here he given write 3 more ways to protect your teeth. Inka konni 3 ways. Again he is asking to protect, how we will protect. So here we have given here how we have to protect. So more 3 is asking to write here. So write. So you write the children's, this is homework, formative assessment. Now we are moving to the microbes. So what is mean by microbes? Now we will move to the microbes. Till now what we have learned about teeth, mana yokka teeth. So first one is how temporary teeth will get. What is mean by permanent teeth? So there are kinds of teeth we have learned. So after that, structure of a tooth we have learned. Care of a teeth we have learned. After that, caring how to protect our teeth we have learned. So now what is mean by microbes? Microbes ante entivi? Microbes are tiny living things that can be seen only through the microscope. Chinna microbes ante entivi? Chinna bacteria. It is a living things. It is also living organisms. It is also living organism that cannot see with our naked eyes. We can see with the help of microscope. అవి ఎందుకంటే చాలా టైనీ, చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి we cannot see with our naked eyes. So diseases causing microbes are called germs. So diseases, whatever diseases we are facing now, the help of microbes only we will cause. This is known as germs. Germs means everyone know. So cavities in the advertisement they will show germs. The Colgate advertisement, close up advertisement, we will see the germs, how they will attack to the teeth, how we will wash his teeth with Colgate, the germs will be gone. So this is the diseases caused by the microbes is known as germs. Microbes are found everywhere. So microbes found ante ekkadaina untai. Now it is in the corner, it may be, so here in the blackboard, here the corners of the door, so everywhere ante prati oka chotu microbes we will be find it. They grow rapidly wherever the air, they get air, moisture and warm. Wherever the air, moisture, warm ఉన్న దగ్గర microbes చాలా తొందరగా పెరుగుతాయంట. So microbes are the 4 kinds. There are 4 kinds of microbes. They are bacteria, protozoa, fungi, virus. So there are 4 types of microbes. The first one is bacteria. The second one is protozoa. Third one is fungi. These all are the microbes. Viruses. So these all are the microbes. There are 4 kinds of microbes. So first we will learn about bacteria. Bacteria ante endo. There are single-celled microbes. They causes like typhoid. So here single cell, okate cell, single celled. This is single-celled microbes. So this will cause typhoid. So pneumonia. So typhoid and pneumonia, it will be caused with the help of bacteria. Bacteria valla ఏ రోగాలు వస్తాయి? Pneumonia and typhoid. So these two diseases will come with the help of bacteria. This is only one single cell. Next we are moving to the protozoa. It is also a single celled animal. Here single celled microorganisms. It is single celled microorganisms. This is single celled animal. So this is the single celled animals. In the malaria, dysentery are causes by the protozoa. So these, with the help of protozoa, malaria manaku vastundi. Dysentery are causes by these two diseases will caused by the protozoa. Fungi ante fungi. They are plants that grown of decaying matter and causes diseases like ringworm. So fungi, the help of this is a plant growth. Dead animals. Okay, this is caused by the ringworms. ఈ యొక్క ringworms అనే fungi వల్ల వస్తుంది. Virus, they are small than bacteria. Bacteria కన్నా smaller. So smallpox, common cold, polio. So with the help of virus, smallpox, cold, polio will cause with the help of these viruses. So bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi are the pictures given here. Bacteria ఇలా ఉంటుంది, virus ఇలా ఉంటుంది, protozoa ఇలా ఉంటుంది, fungi ఇలా ఉంటుంది. So these four are the microbes. That four kinds of microbes with these fungi. First bacteria, it is a single celled, ఒకటే cell. Next protozoa కూడా single celled. దీనివల్ల మనకి ఏం రోగాలు వస్తాయి? టైఫాయిడ్ వస్తుంది, నిమోనియా. మళ్ళీ ప్రోటోజోవాతో ఏమొస్తుంది? మలేరియా ఫీవర్ వస్తుంది. ఫంగితో ఏమొస్తుంది? రింగ్ వామ్స్. ఈ యొక్క లాస్ట్ వైరసెస్ తోటి స్మాల్ పాక్స్, కామన్ కోల్డ్, polio. It will be spreaded. Virus nowadays, corona virus is spreading with the help of common cold. తుమ్ముతే దగ్గుతే అందరు కరోనాని అని అంటున్నారు. సో అప్పుడేమో జ్వరం వచ్చినా it will used to be take lightly. So cold also they used to take light. So cough also they used to take. But nowadays if we sneeze, tummina daggina edaina, they are fearing and they are telling that is as a corona. So that is a virus that is spreading nowadays. So these are the four kinds of microbes we have been learned. So now we are moving to the summative assessment. Now we have been completed the lesson. So now we will move to the, once see the picture, bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. These four are the pictures that they have shown for the microbes. So now we will move to the summative assessment. Summative assessment. That is bit number A, page number 64 and 65. The first one is tick the correct option. What is the number of temporary teeth? That is B110. That is B. The second one is, what is the other name of tearing teeth? That is B. So the tearing teeth is canines. So canines. The third one is, what is the outer layer of the tooth is called? Enamel. That is A. The fourth one is, there are dash molar in each jaw, 6. So the fifth one is, how you will protect your teeth? Brush them twice a day, wash your mouth well after meals, brush it up and down. All of this. All of these. These are the, tick the right options that are in the lesson number 9. So children, write down in your textbook. Next we are moving to the bit number B, that is question answers. So you have to make it and write off. Next I will move to the bit number C. That is the fill in the blanks. So the fill in the blanks are 6 fill in the blanks are there. First one is digestion. Crown, dentine, pulp, nerves, twice. So I will explain you children. So write down first is dentist, digestion, crown, dentine, pulp, nerves, twice. So here, healthy teeth play an important role in the. So here I explained you healthy teeth is told digestion through the help of digestion. The portion of the tooth seen above the gum is called crown. The layer below of enamel is called dentine. The soft material inside of dentine is called pulp. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root of the tooth. Visit the dentine at least twice a year. So these are the fill in the blanks children. So here he given the how you will brush your teeth. Keep a recording for a whole week of how long will you look after your teeth. Make a table like this every day, put tick. The column as you need morning, evening. Message gum, 8 hard raw food, 8 sweets. So Monday, Tuesday you prepare one table and do it children. How you will brush your teeth at morning, night, after eating hard subject, chicken, mutton like that. So you prepare this chart for you. That may be useful to you. So here he is asking how many times did you forgot to brush your teeth. So yeah, he is asking questions here. How many times did you forgot to brush your teeth? So I never forgot to brush my teeth. It's my answer. How many times did you eat hard food? I didn't eat hard food anytime. I will eat soft food only. So this is my answer. So your answer, what is your answer? You write off there. How many times did you eat sweet food? So many times I ate sweet food. So did you message your gum daily? Yes. So these are the answer he asked to. So here children we have been completed. So a small homework I will give for you. So this is draw the 4 kinds of bacteria of microbes. So here 4 kinds of that is bacteria, protozoa, fungi, virus. Here in the textbook it is having. So please draw this in your rough notebook or in your science notebook, whatever you are now. I am telling wherever you are writing, you draw there, and it is very easy to draw. And also structure of a tooth also you can be drawn. So here label the parts I told to write homework, and a small homework this one I given, as well as I given this one also for you to write the homework. So this is our lesson, that is what is meant by teeth and microbes. Microbes and entivi, it is a what is meant by microbes? It is a tiny organisms, tiny living organisms that we cannot see with our naked eyes. మన యొక్క కంట్లతో చూడలేం. సో వీటిని ఎలా చూస్తాం? విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. సో ఎన్ని మైక్రోబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? దెర్ ఆర్ 4 మైక్రోబ్స్. సో బ్యాక్టీరియా, ప్రోటోజోవా, నెక్స్ట్ virus and fungi are the 4 microbes. So listen carefully, this is microbes, very important for you because it will come in the examination. So you also I given homework for you to draw. So draw cheyman cheppa, wherever it is you draw it. Okay, 4 kinds of microbes you draw in rough notebook, you will draw, wherever you draw it. So this is your completions of lessons. So you are listening, I am thinking that, and don't neglect the classes whatever we are telling, and don't take easy. If you don't have books, you buy the books children. So I hope everyone is understanding. If you are not understanding, take your help of your elders or parents. to better understand. Thank you very much, children.